Today I am going to show you microwave microwave anything has some corn. You just put in and then you microwave. Mom, you want some popcorn? So, and now it says in the 2 minutes, am I right? 2 minutes, right? So, I'm gonna put it for a minute, and I do like a food hard, even the burn already burnt. I got rain, Mom. Bowl popcorn, Mom. Bowl popcorn. So now we'll take this, fold it in half. See this? Okay. Do the next one. The finger, the hand. See also, I like back. And there you go. Alright. Let's put it for a minute. Popcorn. See, light. Turn on the microwave. For 2 minutes, and it's popped. Oh, yeah, press popcorn button. No popcorn button. Mine, you press popcorn button. Never mind, Mom. You want a bowl, Mom? Mom? You want a bowl? Sorry, Mom, Kane.
What, you can't put popcorn in?
Yeah. See, Mom, you press the popcorn button, Mom. It has 2 minutes, Mom, on it, Mom. Okay. It won't burn, Mom. It's popped. See, it pops. Watch it pops. Watch the sounds. See, it pops. Look at it pops. Listen. Look how it pops. Now popcorn. Yeah, done. Hit stopped. Here, popcorn. Corn in it. Here we are. Corn button. This thing you gotta take guts.
Here, Willie.
Okay, Mom.
Trash.
Alright. There you go. See, it didn't burn, Mom.
Yeah.
Sub on, yeah.
Slicing my pizza,
That's good. So I see pizza. That's good news.
eating my supper.
Eating supper. That's good. So got me a bowl. Popcorn. I want the yellow one. Yellow one. Okay. So a tricky one.
Liz,
Yep. Listen up, Pops. Listen. Mom, you forgot my medicine, my tummy medicine.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm old. I can't remember everything.
Alright.
Just take one out of the bottle, put it in your mouth.
Okay. Can you do it for me, Mom?
You're right there.
what? Here, I'll do it.
Okay,
Excuse me,
that's
Will.
fine, Mom. Alright.
You let me get your own place.
Oh no, Mom. Not sure, Mom.
White one and the tummy bag.
Okay, what's done to me? Popping really good. Popping really good. Then we hit the stop button. Put this around. Now get this. Get this. Okay.
I don't have my glasses.
Opens up and look at that, guys.
Are they in the drink rack?
I washed them.
It's in the door.
They were in the drink rack.
In the door, Mom.
Which? Oh. Thank you, Willie.
Welcome, Mom.
Willie knew where they were.
That's it or nothing.
Right like this one's getting kind of low.
Low. It's getting low, Mom.
It's good, Willie.
It's good, yeah. There you go, guys. And that's how you pop. I mean, microwave, microwave popcorn. Thanks for watching.